Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. We are ready to go. Streamlabs updated, so I gotta make sure that everything looks good here. It's got a little bit of a different background now, so it's like slightly messing with me. But I think everything else is the same. So as long as it is, we will be doing very well. Hey, I do want to say this though. Let me come back out here. Let me post this link in here. I posted a video. I posted a sponsored video, and I don't think it got a notification. I don't think it sent a notification out. So, if you guys could help me, just click that link. All right. Cool, we're going to jump into the market in 2 seconds. Just let me explain what that link is there. I think I pinned it to the top of the screen, not sure. I did a sponsored video. That is an affiliate link. It shows that if people clicked on the link and so on, people viewed the video and so on there. So if you guys get a chance, either now at the end of the live stream or whatever, click on that link. It's going to take you out to their website, all that good stuff. Clicked it, bought it. Good deal, man. You don't have to buy any of that stuff if you don't want to buy it. But I don't think YouTube sent a notification out with that video. It's going a lot slower than a lot of the videos typically go. So yeah, dude, if somebody's going to pay for a video, they absolutely deserve, as many views as possible. But I don't think that one is, I don't think that one's hitting the views like all the other ones typically do. So might not have got the notification. So notifying all the bros in the live stream here. Make sure just to click that link so that they can get some engagement on it. And then, of course, you guys can check that out later if you want. You can check it out now if you want. But it actually does seem like a pretty sweet VR token. Since we're talking about it, the current price is, I believe, 0024 or something like that. And it is going to launch at 1 cent. So you're going to make a 300% return if you buy now and wait until the launch day. You are guaranteed to make 300% on the launch. You're going to be getting in much lower than the launch price. So once it goes live, you can go sell for that 1 cent if you'd like. You make some money there. But okay, you're only going to be getting 40% of your tokens on launch day. The rest are unlocked over an 8-month period. So if you get in, now you want to sell 40% of your tokens on launch day, you're going to be able to make all of your money back. And then, of course, the rest of it, essentially the profit that you would have there, you would unlock, and you'd be 100% unlocked at, I believe, the end of 8 months. So make sure to check that out. Just know that you got that. I do not know when the launch day is. I don't know what their total raise is going to be. So I don't exactly know when the launch day is going to be. I don't know if it's a $10 million raise like a lot of these other pre-sales are. A lot of these pre-sales that I have been doing, it is a $10 million raise. And then, of course, they switch their timer over to the countdown until the launch day. So that's what I've seen with Scotty. That's what we're seeing with Doge 20. That's what I imagine we're going to be seeing with that Slothana. So a lot of what I see is a $10 million raise, and then they switch over to the countdown timer. That Fifthscape that I just posted, that is a, what were they at? 3 million? I don't know if they were at 3 million or 2 million raised. It was something like that, but they're going a little slower than some of the meme coins. But these guys, it was not a meme coin. It's like actual VR stuff that you can get into and check out there. So anyway, with all of that being said, we got Dark Bro FIRST first in the chat, baby. Dark, Gorilla, Dark. We got Gorilla. Good news, get new. We got Dark Bro Jeremiah, Dark Bro Gorilla, Frank, Kombu, Dark Bro, Kombu, Gorilla, Kombu, Master, Dark Bro, Notos, Kalido, Dark Bro. Good news, we got Kombu, Kalido, Gorilla, Notos. Good news, Notos, Kombu, Kalido, Gorilla, Moji, Gary. We got Kalido, Kombu, Clay Bro. What's going on? Dark Bro, Julio. Probably Julio. Greetings from Miami. All right. Julio, if we were Brazilian, but I think you're probably some sort of, well, if you're in Miami, you're just Miamian, and we got Julio, right? Julio, Dark Bro, Julio, Kalido, Johnny, Kalido, Dark Bro. We get J Bones, baby, Kalido, Ron Cow. What's going on? I have not sold Scotty yet. Where did that even go? No, I have not sold Scotty yet. I'm tempted. Dude, I've been tempted every day to sell Scotty. The only thing that is keeping me from selling my Scotty is the fact that it is like, it's steady. You know what I mean? If it was a lot more volatile and it was going up, going down, going up, going down, I would probably be a little bit more inclined to sell it. But it's like a slower, steadier grower, so I'm actually okay with it right now. I am tempted, right? I am tempted to do it, but I don't really have anywhere else that I'd be pumping into right now. Plus, it's kind of holding its ground very well. So, no, I actually, all of the Scotty that I bought during the pre-sale, I have not sold any of it. If you knew which wallet was mine, you're not going to know which wallet was mine. You would see the pre-sale claim, and that is it in Scotty. And, you know, I don't know how much you guys consider decent amounts. I consider it a decent amount as well. So I do have a decent amount of Scotty, and it's looking good. Check the website, bros. Get to explain it more. Absolutely, man. Yo, bros, what's going on? Joni Quest, Khalito, gotcha. Sorry, I'm being a Debbie Downer. Khalito, you're never a Debbie Downer, man. All good, bro. Looks pretty cool. Heck yeah. Let's see. Oh, okay, what is the ticker symbol for the ETF for the Bitcoin? I need to find out because the ETF goes to the downside, and then the Bitcoin, it could go down a lot. So please be careful. Okay, thanks. D's. There's a lot of ETFs. GBTC is a very large one, but there are a lot of Bitcoin ETFs out on the stock market. So you can watch GBTC if you want. But I will say this, right? The ETF typically goes down because Bitcoin is going down. Bitcoin doesn't typically go down because the ETF is going down. Bitcoin is still much larger than the ETFs. So Bitcoin dictates the ETFs. ETFs don't necessarily dictate the Bitcoin. But there are a lot. You could Google Bitcoin ETFs, and you're going to get a lot of tickers that show up, man. GBTC is one of the largest and one of the biggest, just to let you know. So, just Scotty Clay, Ron, I have not sold any Scotty, man. I don't know if I missed if it was your message and then I lost track of it or whatever it was. But, yeah, have not sold a single Scotty yet. Tempted, definitely tempted, but I have not done it. Clay Bros, it's crazy. A $10,000 CD at the best rate will earn you about $530 a year. Yeah, 5%, man. That's what you're going to be getting. Seriously, 5%. And, you know, you get that 5% if you're sitting in cash on Webull, by the way. I don't know if you guys understand that. A lot of brokers probably do it, but if you use the links to sign up for Webull, you also get 5% just for sitting in cash. You don't have to trade anything. Well, you're right. Frank is right there. $20,000 in my portfolio earns $830 a month, man. Yeah, that is a drastic difference, dude. Frank, it is a drastic difference. When you focus on dividend income, of course, you have to worry about the capital gains and capital losses that would be associated with your portfolio there. But there's a drastic difference in $830 a month and $500 a year, man. Moji, playing with yo-yos? I hope he is. What do you think about Scotty AI? Daniel, listen. Daniel, were you in here 3 minutes ago? If you were in here 3 minutes ago, I think you heard my thoughts on Scotty AI. If not, I mean, I can go over them again. I think it is very stable. It's doing very well. Price sitting at $19.13 right now, or 1.913 cents. Major line of support, which is why I have that blue line on the screen. If you're going to be a little bit more aggressive with it, that's not necessarily my sell line or anything. This is just a major line of support that I have on the screen here. A line that I would actually be concerned about it falling down below is this line right here at 15. So 1.5 cents. I would be a little bit concerned about a decline through that level. But I've just been watching that major level of support kind of hold up here, doing very well. I wish that it would get, a little bit more, I guess, oomph behind it and move to the upside. But, dude, it's steady right now. So it's not scaring me into selling or anything like that. I would like a nice breakout. I would like an incline. But, it's still doing very well with near $1 million a day. It's still a very tiny $16 million market cap. A lot of potential in Scotty. And I still do hold all of my Scotty there. I'm not going to click on that. See any Telegram. You know what? Just hold on. Well, I'm going to see this real quick. right, hold on. Okay. I had my Telegram open there. And I did not want to have that open. Let's see here. Moji! I was thinking about going to Arizona for rotator cuff surgeries. My gosh, dude. Moji and Kombu gonna hang out, getting some surgery down there. Bought some Dogecoin 20 today. Drew, man. Listen, I own Dogecoin 20 as well, okay? A lot of people, you know, think these pre-sales are risky, and they are, right? You understand that these pre-sales are risky. Let me move this over so we get a better view of the website. These pre-sales are risky, but with great risk comes great reward. I own Dogecoin 20. I actually own what I would consider to be a pretty solid amount of Dogecoin 20 as well. So what I like about Dogecoin 20, the fact that it's launching on Doge Day, all sorts of Doge-related cryptos should be doing very well, unless, of course, the overall market is getting blasted. You know, I would love to see Elon Musk tweet about Doge on Doge Day. I think you could see some fantastic gains. Kind of the same deal, though, right? I don't know, and take it for whatever it's worth. I don't know if I will be holding my Dogecoin 20 beyond launch day. If it's something that seems to be moving steadily higher, excellent. I could hold it like Scotty. But guys, I don't have any issues selling these tokens either, okay? And you shouldn't. If you are ready to take your gain, take your gain. If you think these tokens are going to move higher, you know, hold them and wait for them to move higher. But yeah, I do own Doge 20, and I think it's going to be very, very nice if both Doge, Scotty, and Slothana is another one. Slothana, I bought into the Slothana pre-sale. It is that sloth video that I did a couple of days ago. It's already got 10,000 views on it, doing much better than any of the other pre-sale videos I've done. And, dude, I've bought into that one with a decent amount of money as well. I don't know when that one's going to launch, but if it launches anywhere near 420, it's going to be very, very nice if these tokens perform well. I'll just put it that way. Yeah, dude. So Slothana, Doge 20, Scotty AI here. Zcast, the Z Casino is another one that I got into. It is not live yet, but I got into that one. If you guys are interested in it, I've already seen a few people bridge over and load up and get ready for the Zcast or Z Casino launch date there, which should be happening very soon, actually. And then I'm trying to see. I got this stuff written down, but I don't want to look through on my phone right now. I think that those are the only major pre-sales that I'm in. I got a little bit. I'm thinking about getting into that Fifthscape. I have not bought into that yet. And then the green Bitcoin, the GBTC. I am in green Bitcoin. Not as heavy as some of the other pre-sales. It seems to be selling slower than the other pre-sales. But I am in that one. And I don't think... Let me just look. GBTC, Scotty AI, Dogecoin 20, Z Casino, Crash Boys. I'm still in Crash Boys that I did the video on the other day. Sync. I've posted a few videos on Sync. I sold some of that, but I am still staking Sync. And then Slothana. I'm in Slothana as well. Those are the pre-sales that I currently have and hope continue to do well there. Let's see. What is the airspeed velocity of an unladen swallow? Fast, Gorilla. Fast. That would be the airspeed velocity of an unladen swallow. Fast. That's what I was thinking too. Selling after launch, unless it pulls a dog with hat. Drew, listen, man. I'll put it this way. If it pulls a dog with hat, I'll probably take a vacation. Right? If it pulls a dog with hat, I feel like I got enough Doge 20 and Slothana that if either one of them did what Dog with Hat did, yeah, I'm going to be very tempted to sell before it reaches those levels, but I would be ecstatic. But dude, Dog with Hat, Pepe, SHIB, Doge, you know, these tokens that run past $1 billion in a very short period of time like that. I mean, very low chances of that happening, but there's no reason we couldn't see some very strong gains. If it pulls Dog with Hat gains, man, we're going to be doing way too well. Way too well. Let's see. Did you grab some of that Fifthscape at the top of the chat? You might have. Johnny Quack, cool. I grabbed some also. Guys, I have not jumped into Fifthscape yet, but I am probably going to be jumping into that on my way to steal your baby girl. Man, get out of my baby girl. What is Dogecoin 20? JD, Dogecoin 20 is another pre-sale that I've been doing a lot of videos on. People have been jumping into it. I can pull the graph of it up. Or not the graph, but the pre-sale page up here for you if you want. So Dogecoin 20, it is currently counting down until the launch day. 18 days left because it is launching on April 20th. That is Doge Day, 420, right? You can currently buy some. The pre-sale is essentially sold out, but you can buy some leading into the launch, and its current price is 0.00022. Now, you could buy it today. Here's what I do not know, okay? I was going to say you could buy it today. You could buy it in 18 days and in 13 hours and 39 minutes from now, and then you don't have to worry about holding it until the launch. You don't have to worry about it being held up. But with Scotty AI, okay, they did allow some tokens to go after their original $10 million was raised. But eventually they run out. I don't know if they're pulling from their marketing budget. I don't know if they're pulling from their treasury. I don't know where these additional tokens would be coming from. But they do not have an unlimited supply. So I cannot say that in 18 days, 13 hours, 39 minutes, and 10 seconds from now, you'd be able to buy in and then 30 seconds later, claim your Dogecoin 20. Eventually, the buy button will disappear or should disappear before the launch if people continue to buy in here. So just know that. But Dogecoin 20 is essentially another Dogecoin type of a deal that's going to be launching in 18 days from now. People buying in. Oh my gosh, you couldn't see any of that, could you? People buying in, not this one, not this one. Hold on. You guys couldn't see any of that, could you? I don't know if you could or not. Dogecoin 20, right there. If you guys are interested in getting into it. I don't know if you could see that or not when I had that up. Do you have to put anything in the memos section when sending Solana to the Slothana address? Always Omnia. As far as I know, no, you do not. I used the buy widget that they had, okay? As a matter of fact, if you use the buy widget, I'll just let you guys know. It's like you're using the affiliate link, okay? So if you simply send to that address, they're not going to know that Claybro sent you. If you buy using that buy widget, they will. Now, you 100% make your decision on which one that you want. But if you use the buy widget on the website, connect your wallet and all of that, they're going to know that you used my affiliate link there. If not, completely up to you. You just send it. As far as I know, you do not have to include a memo, but do not use a centralized exchange to send your Solana to the Slothana presale. Okay? Don't use a Coinbase. Don't use any centralized exchange. Use a Phantom wallet, a Soulflare. I think you can hold on Trust Wallet now. I think you can send from there. But, yeah, I sent in using the widget, using that buy button instead of just sending in. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the king. Hold on, man. I got to get my pig. Here, piggy, 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 here, piggy, here, piggy, here, piggy, here, piggy, piggy, here. Dude, I have terrible it pigs, man. Oink, oink, Dark Bro. Oink, oink, man. Absent-minded, yes, dude, I love puppies. Is doing really good. I love puppies is a coin? Is that another coin? Here to take attendance. Listen, if you guys are here, tell Shaybro that you guys are here. Moving over from here to here. Man, I wish If I wish Slothana, Scotty AI, Doge20, and Zcast. Zcast is not out yet, but I wish all of those would be floating at the same time. Just send 2 Solana to Slothana. I'm new here, only 14 days with crypto. Them red lines scared me today. But if I stick to what you said, wait, hope to double. If I stay with what I got, happy me, good luck to all. Maja D, if you are only 2 weeks into the cryptocurrency game, you are very new, okay? I'm going to tell you right now, you could be getting in at an excellent time. And I hope that you make as much money as possible. So congratulations. You are going to learn a lot. We do these live streams twice a day during the week. I post videos every single day. Learn as much as possible. Ask as many questions as you want. And I'll just tell you right now, man, if the red lines scare you, you will very soon become numb to the red lines. The red lines will no longer scare you after a while. Red lines are part of the game, man. Red lines are part of the game. We don't like them, but they certainly don't scare us. I'm thinking about trading my 1 billion SHIB for Doge or Crow. The math just makes it seem like I would make more money. SHIB, if it hits 0.0001 equals 100,000. Doge or Crow at $1 equals 150,000. Am I wrong? Not financial advice. No, you are not wrong. So looking at it though, you know, SHIB and Doge in a very similar situation right there. SHIB to that 0.001 would be essentially the equivalent of Doge hitting that $1 mark, right? Both of those exceeding their all-time highs by a brief amount. Crow already hit the $1 mark, so Crypto.com coin, or Kronos, actually, in my opinion, has a better chance of hitting the dollar mark than Doge or SHIB, simply because Kronos has already done it. Now, your math, I would say all of those price points are theoretically similar to happening. They're about the same distance out, but you're right, dude. The math might be there for you to make more money in Doge or Crow hitting those levels. Now, right? I don't know if Kronos is going to rip to $1 and then a week later SHIB hits the 0.001 level. I don't know if on Doge Day, you know, Dogecoin rips up to 50 cents, Shiba Inu Coin follows to the 5,000 point per coin level, and Kronos doesn't move because it's not a meme. You know, Elon Musk could come out and say something on Dogecoin on Doge Day, and Doge and SHIB run, but Crypto.com coin doesn't because Elon doesn't care about Crypto.com coin. So there's a lot of other factors other than just the math, but your math is correct, man. Hurro, known as puppies. It started with wow, man, and it's now at wow, man. A lot of zeros on both of those. Let's see where puppies is at. Let's see. I love puppies. Dang, dude, $30 million market cap. All right, we can get along with this. This is actually a very nice graph here, man. When you get in, it's nice and steady, and then all of a sudden it does nothing but rip up 3x for like a 2-day period. That is a very nice graph to see. The daily graph, even... Look, man, this daily graph, this is kind of, and this might be a little bit different, but this is kind of what I see in Scotty and what I would love to see in Scotty AI. You got a very nice launch day. It pulls back a little bit. And then, of course, you got your coin market cap listing, which could be what happened here. And then it rips up a little bit, and it comes back down. People are like, ah, crap, I should have sold at 7 zeros and a 5, man. I should have got out. It's back to 7 zeros and a 2 now. I'm down 50%. And then just something happens, man, and it catches on. And you go from thinking you should have sold at 7 zeros and a 5 all the way up to sitting at 6 zeros and a 7. You're talking about like a 12x gain here. So, yeah, dude, I love puppies. Out of nowhere, after being live for an entire month and a half, finally decides to move. And then it ripped up. So this is why, guys, if something is doing nice, it's steadily growing, it's moving, it's not terribly volatile, something like I hope that Scotty would do here. Similar. You're sitting on your daily, it comes up, pulls back a little bit. You got your MEXC listing, it pulls back a little bit. It seems to be steadying off in this area right here. I would love it, man, if it just all of a sudden, made those lines look like that and it rips up to here, 8, 9, 10 cents. And then it's sitting, what would that be? 5x gain? It's only sitting at a $75 million market cap. That's still not that crazy to see it rip up to these levels. It's only $75 million in market cap. Now, the thing that I don't necessarily like, and they may have changed that already today, these guys are a little less active on Twitter. Well, I don't know what that means, but they're a little less active on Twitter right now. They used to be posting, it seemed like every day, and they've not posted since they got that coin market cap listing, or the MEXC listing. So that's the only thing that I would really have to complain about in Scotty AI, is that I do think that they could be a little bit more active on their Twitter or their X account, and they could be keeping a little bit better touch with the community out there and letting them know what's going on. That's the only complaint I got about Scotty AI right now. Neko coin on Solana. Jams channel. Absolutely, man. Let's look up NEKO. All right, Neko, $675,000 in the liquidity pool. Wow, man, an $800,000 market cap. This has got a lot of money in the liquidity pool for an $800,000 market cap here. Now, the daily does not seem to be doing very much volume. Okay, $0, $5, $149, $79 on this day, $96, $381. Very, 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 very low volume on a daily basis. Now, 6,000 in this sell-off today, that is quite a bit, but it's only moving from 5 zeros and a 9 to 5 zeros and an 86 on that $6,000 sell-off right here by this guy. So $6,000 in volume, it is a very large sell-off, does not move it very much, but of course that's because there's a massive liquidity pool here, and I don't know if this liquidity pool is locked or not, but massive liquidity pool. And that is why the $6,000 sell wasn't a huge decline on the chart. But I would be a little bit skeptical of such low volume, man. Let's see. Deuce. Hey, bro. $700 more spent on Amazon. Burn, baby, burn, baby, burn, baby, burn. That's what I'm talking about, Deuce. Thank you very much for using that Amazon link. Guys, the Amazon link, if you have not used it, it is very easy. I mean, Deuce, tell these guys how easy it is to open Amazon through that link and then just scroll to the top of the page and search for whatever you guys want to buy. By doing so, the average commission is around 1%. It slightly might be over depending on what you guys buy. But yeah, dude, a $700 purchase might not seem like a lot, is guaranteed to result in 7% burns. Or $7 burns. Let's put it that way. Might actually end up being $10 to $15 in burns, depending on what he bought there. I don't exactly know all of the rates, but very, very nicely done, Deuce. Did not cost you anything at all additional, and we are burning Shiba Inu coin because of you and everybody else that is utilizing that link. So thank you very much for that, man. I do absolutely appreciate it. I know everybody else in here appreciates it as well, because we're going to be able to burn Amazon literally to infinity and beyond if you guys simply utilize that link to buy your stuff. I got tremors and eye blackout, fall wearing knee braces, CPAP, dental CPAP device, have to TENS unit, Dark Bro, sorry for your pops, much love, guys. Anonymous, I'm very sorry. My pops has heart failure along with many other things, parachute. Golly bum, dude. Yeah, dude. Heart failure and stuff like that is nothing to mess with, man. I think that is that's what my grandma had going on a long time ago. It was 2015, right? It's a long time ago now, almost 10 years. Let's see. You want to bring this groundhog inside? The more, the merrier. All of the animals, you can bring them in the house. Spellcoin, Robert, man, is a clip of saving groundhogs now too. I don't think I have the pictures on this phone here, but I did pet 2 baby groundhogs man, it was probably like 5 or 6 years ago. I had 2 baby groundhogs in the backyard, and I went out there, and they let me pet them, man. The mama groundhog didn't even come and attack me. But I only saw them like 2 days, and then they moved on. So I don't know what happened to those 2 baby groundhogs. Hopefully they live on the side of the hill there. That would be very nice. Let's see. Clearly the Solana T coin has done nada. I know, man. And here's the thing, Gary. I don't know if those guys, I don't know if rebranding is the best idea. They are trying to rebrand, and they're trying to make it like a cartoon-looking T-Man. And I'll tell you why I think they're probably doing that. So I own this token here on Solana. It's at 1409. I believe it touched like 12 something earlier today. 1242. It touched the low today. And it's trying to come back up nicely. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it breaks back up. I believe my average is at like 16. So I am down for the very first time on this T-Man coin here. I bought this. I think one of the lowest levels that I bought in was at the 14 level. And that was, man, it's been several weeks that I've owned this token now. But, dude, if you look at this stupid stuff here, okay, Dolan Trump is the name of this coin, right? Look at this stupid token. Obviously, this is a joke meme, right, with these weird-looking cartoon characters. But, dude, look at the daily on this coin. It has literally done nothing but go up since it was introduced at the end of February. It has gone from, well, let's call it 1 cent, right? Nobody would have got in this day right here. Next day, sure, you might get in at 1.5 cents after it starts trending. That's why you get $13 million in volume here. Dude, from 1 cent, because only the team was going to be getting in at 0.00005. Only the team's going to know about it there. Dude, from 1 cent to a stinking $1.05 here. Where did it tap out? The high, $1.10. Dude, a 100x gain, taking you to a $100 million market cap in this stupid Dolan Trump. Dude, they got another one. Bowden, right? This idiot. $227 million market cap. Going from literally, I don't know, 4 zeros to 32 cents right now. You could have got in at 1.5 cents here as it was trading, 2 cents, and rode this up to 45, 50 cents. This is another one, okay? I don't know if this is the same team or not, but it follows all the same style. Putney. Clearly, Putney is nowhere near as popular, but this one's sitting at a $500,000 market cap right now, and I watched it. I did not buy in because I'm unsure of this token, but I watched it rip on this day from 0.002 all the way back up to almost 2 cents. 10x gain here. This Putney could be another one. Okay, it is nowhere near as popular as the Dolan Trump and whatever the Bowden one is, but man, Chadimir Putney, you gotta watch out for ones. Doing very, very well. 1910, man, I would just love to see this at 19 cents. I'd sell it if it was at 19 cents. I wouldn't hold it beyond 19 cents. I wouldn't. I'd lose out, but I wouldn't hold it. I'd be okay if it continued going up. How's the cat? You know, cat's doing very, very well, man. I have not decided. I probably am leaning towards the surgery, but I've not decided to do it for sure or anything like that. But I'm leaning towards letting that vet at least do the spay, check her out, see if she needs it done. Cat's got literally zero problems whatsoever in terms of like what you can see her doing, and my goodness, man. It's literally the best cat ever. AA, stay good, bro. Stay positive. You're still young. You got this. You do, Anonymous. You absolutely do. Taking it day by day. Only 38. Love you guys. You're my extended family because it's just me and my wife. I ain't got a circle of friends or a circle of friends because trust issues. Well, you know what, Anonymous? You got bros, dude. We are the extended family. You got 77 brothers in here right now, man. What the heck? Why can't Honorarium do it? I have no idea. Moji, man, I have no idea whatsoever. If I knew. So here's my best guess at what I am seeing, okay? A lot of these, and I'll let you guys in on a little insider secret, right? A lot of these tokens that you see with something like, not Scotty AI, this was a pre-sale, this was essentially a legitimate launch here, but let's look at Smog. Smog is one that I know, and then we can look at something like Chatamir Putney and so on. But Smog, man. Smog was a fair launch, yes. It went out there, but I don't know if this goes all the way or not. I forget when the actual launch date was here. But, dude, if I could break this down and go all the way back on like a 5-minute chart or whatever, you know, you see these levels down here at like 002, 003, and then you see like $300,000, $400,000 flow in within the first 5 minutes of the token launching. Dude, no idiot, even in their not right mind, is going to put in $300,000, $400,000 into their token, into a random token that launches in the first 5 minutes. That's going to get rug pulled faster than you ever saw before. So, now I knew the Smog token had a very strong marketing budget, and I did a video on the very first day that it launched. Obviously, they paid for the video, right? So, other tokens that you see that come out and do $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 in the first 5 minutes or 10 minutes of launch, it's got a team behind it that's pumping it, right? These guys are pumping it so that it shows up here at the top of the list. When it shows up here as one of the top trending coins on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird's Eye, all of these different apps, people are going to jump into it, and they're going to be buying it simply based on the hype alone. Now, the team members may decide to take some of that money out, create some volatility, and then the real games begin. Or they can simply leave it in. Because if they had a fair launch, and they go out there, and they essentially buy in, they're the first ones to buy into anything, all of that money is essentially safe, because even if everybody else drains the liquidity pool, all of the money that they have left in is going to be in the liquidity pool. So when you see a token that is brand new and it's doing $300,000, $400,000, $500,000, $600,000 in volume in the first 5 to 10 minutes, it's got a team pumping it. One of two things: it could do very well with the team pumping it, or it could be some sort of a honeypot. So just watch out. But especially if you know that it's going to be a legitimately marketed project, you might be able to do a little bit better knowing that it's got the massive buys behind it. But yeah, dude, I don't know. If you're going to go out there and try to just buy some random token, new live pairs right here. Let's see. These tokens have been out for 5 minutes. Ethereum. Well, let's see if we can pull up a new live pair on the Solana blockchain. See if this loads. Right. So see, this token's been out for 8 seconds right now. I think it's done $0 in volume. If all of a sudden, you're like, oh yeah, I'm gonna buy $10,000 worth of Dorkle. I mean, dude, chances are you're gonna get rugged. Okay, even though the pool has 3,300 Solana in it right now, you're probably going to get rugged. Now, if you see all of a sudden $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 flowing in, and you know that these guys are legitimate, I mean, you got a pretty strong team behind you, and you might want to grab some Dorkle there. But, dude, this just seems like that's a lot of money to be in the pool. I know nothing about Dorkle, just launched like 10 seconds ago. But it already seems to be moving around pretty heavy here. With $1,600 being traded in the first minute. Oh, okay. That bought in $380 and sold for a $2 loss. All right, whatever. I don't understand what these people are doing coming in with, 6/1000ths of a cent. Seems a little strange to have $1.2 million in liquidity, but only a $600,000 market cap. So, yeah, you never know, man. You never know. This token could actually turn out to be something. This could turn out to be a little bit of a honeypot here. You never know what these guys got going on, man. So, that's one of the fun things about these tiny little meme coins. And these tiny little coins that are brand new. You just never know if it's going to catch on or not. Let's not watch Chatamir Putney. Let's watch Scotty AI. Oh, Geo Bowden. Oh, whatever. I got to type it in again. All right, it's $18.99. Oh, man. We want to see $19.99, not $18.99. We want gains. We want gains. Why is Shiba Inu not moving like all these brand new meme coins? They do nothing. Hat, cat, scarf with something wrong. I just don't believe it's possible for a launch token to blow past SHIB like it's happening. Well, dude, they're blowing past Shiba Inu coin in terms of percentage gains. Sure, because they're much, much smaller. But I don't think any token is launched recently that is anywhere near SHIB in terms of overall market cap. So sure, Dog with Hat is doing very well above a $1 billion market cap, but there's a big difference in $1 billion and $20 billion. Shiba Inu coin is still doing very, very well to maintain very, very high market caps. Bro, there ain't no way. There ain't no way, man. Where Mog Clay? Moji, let's see where Moji is, man. 95 likes. Oh my gosh, 95 watching and 25 likes. Guys, if you don't click that like button, I'm gonna scream. And you don't want to hear me scream. See where Moji's at for Moji. Moji, you're down 11% today, man. What are you doing down 11%? Moji going from 6 zeros and an 8 to 6 zeros and a 6 over the last 24 hours or so. Where has it been on the daily and where is it now? I don't know, man. I don't know. This is a wild run. Going from 6 zeros and a 1 to 5 zeros and a 1. A nice 10x gain here. But it is at a major level of support. Moji, if it loses this level of support here and it drops back down into this area or definitely this area. Like if crypto stalls out this month ahead of the Bitcoin halving. If crypto stalls out ahead of the Bitcoin halving, guys, it could be a very, very nice time to buy, right? If MOG falls down through that support line and ends up coming back down to that little hump there or the major horizontal area, it could be a very, very good buy-in. Same deal with a lot of the other Solana tokens you see, like Miro is one of them. It was trading like 40 cents. If you can go pick that up for 20 cents or even 2 cents if it drops back down to those lows, 5 cents. There could be a lot of excellent opportunities in the crypto space if we see a stagnant and slow April. Got to get ready for work later, broski's dark, bro. Enjoy work, man. Try to have a good time. I'm really liking Scotty. Hey, Bones, dude, I'm liking Scotty as well. You know, I'm tempted to sell Scotty. I'm making some money on it, but it's not pulling back. You know what I mean? It's not like terribly volatile. So I continue to hold all of the Scotty that I bought in the pre-sale. Like I was saying, I got Scotty, I got Slothana, I got Doge20, I got Zcast, I got basically all of the tokens that I've talked about recently in the pre-sale. Oh, and I do want to mention this. The link that you guys see at the top of the chat, I posted a pre-sale video. It was a sponsored video right before this live stream. Unfortunately, I don't know if my notifications are messed up or what. I don't think that YouTube sent a notification out with that video, and I feel kind of bad because, you know, it was a sponsored video. The call to action of the sponsored video anyway, just check out their website, and if you guys check out Fifthscape, it's like a VR type of a cryptocurrency. You'd be helping me out, man. Even if you just click on that link to check out their website and you want to look at it later, go look at it later. But yeah, you know, they paid for a sponsored video, and I don't know if YouTube sent a notification out because the views were coming in a little bit slower. So even if you guys just want to help me out and you don't necessarily want to check the website out until a later date or whatever, if you click the link that's at the top of the chat there, it's going to pull up Fifthscape's website, and clearly they're going to know that somebody that Claybro sent clicked on it. So appreciate all of you guys for clicking on that link, man. Even if you don't want to check the website out right now. Cowcoin coming soon. Moo. Pete Coin. Let's look up Pete Coin real quick. If you can give some directions on Phantom Wallet and how to buy Doge 20 on there. Benny, Doge 20 is ERC 20, or I believe you can get it on BEP 20. Okay, so I believe it's Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum blockchain. I don't think that you can buy it on Phantom Wallet. As far as I know, you know what? I don't know. I think there's an Ethereum, but I don't know if it's a wrapped Ethereum. Can you hold Ethereum on a Phantom Wallet? I don't hold any of I hold all that on Trust Wallet, but I think, I'm trying to think back to when I set up a Phantom Wallet. I think that there is a spot where you can hold Ethereum on there. Can you guys hold Ethereum on a Phantom Wallet? Anyway, let me show you, okay? Just in case it does work with Phantom Wallet there. You're going to come out, and Chrome is what you guys need to see. And you can come here. This is the website, right? You're going to click Buy Now. Now, you can only buy it with Ethereum, USD Tether, or you can buy it with BNB, okay? Now, when you click Buy Now, it's going to ask you to connect your wallet. I am not going to connect my wallet, but I don't know if Trust Wallet is if Phantom Wallet is an option. But click Buy Now, connect your wallet, and then it is very easy. You just type in, you know, I want to buy. It's 10,000 a lot. You know, you just type in, I want to buy $1,000 worth. I want to buy $100 worth. I want to buy $10 worth. Whatever it is that you end up buying in, you would just simply click Buy Now, and then it's going to show you right here. You have 45,000 Doge 20. You can stake 45,000 Doge 20 if you would like, or you can simply allow it to stay on this website and then claim it in 18 days, 13 hours on the Doge 20 or the Doge Day launch day here. So it should be very, very simple to connect your wallet if that's what you want to do there to buy Doge 20. Purple AI gave everyone who owns Purple AI 3.33. Their total supply is 1 million. What does this mean? What are they trying to accomplish? Giovanni, maybe some volume. I'm not sure. So that would be no different than a stock essentially giving you a stock dividend. It dilutes the overall ownership a little bit, but because they're not out there selling it to additional shareholders, they're simply distributing it to everybody else. The price of Purple AI, I would imagine, would be going down because of that dilution. And it is. Circulating supply is 998,000 out of what I assume would be. Total supply is, okay, circulating supply is 100% of the 1 million tokens there. Now, I don't know if this was an airdrop that caused the price to come down today, or if the price is down 10% today because because the overall cryptocurrency market is down today. But as far as I know, I don't know nothing about Purple AI here and what exactly they do. It could have had to deal with the staking. It could have had to deal with their pre-sale, their fair launch, just simply an airdrop that everybody would have expected. But I'm glad they're rewarding holders as opposed to going out and selling additional coins onto the market there. Bones, thanks for all you do. SHIB and Scotty, let's go. Bones, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate you. Thank you for doing what you do, man. I don't know if you guys realize this, but the simple fact that you're in here hanging out, it literally makes 100% of the difference. If I was in here by myself, I probably wouldn't stay live very long. But the fact that you guys are in here, you're enjoying your day, you're being respectful to everybody, you're asking excellent questions, you're very interactive. I mean, you literally make the entire day. You make this all possible. So, Bones, man, thank you very much for you doing all that you do. No, Geo typed a whole paragraph twice. I would never ignore Geo right there. Giovanni, man, you know I ain't ignoring you ever, man. We're hedgehog, or groundhog, I mean. Hopefully outside. Dude, groundhogs don't make good pets. I asked Google. Groundhogs don't make good pets. Groundhogs have very, large claws. They're very, very good at digging. And a groundhog would probably jack your floor up faster than you even knew what to do with it. Also, dude, they can bite. They can bite hard. I've never been bitten by a groundhog, but they got some nasty teeth, dude. And, if I've fed a groundhog before, I fed him some apples, those dudes just destroy it. Dude, if a groundhog wanted to bite your finger off, I'm sure a groundhog could bite your finger off. Scratch the crap out of you, too. It'd dig a hole right through your body if it wanted. What are your thoughts on Sushi Swap getting back above $10+? Well, let's look at Sushi Swap and see where it's at right now. But, dude, I think is interest in crypto grows. So as more people are getting excited about crypto again, and you guys know how dead it was for 2 years, right? You know that when prices are going down, nobody wants to touch it. It's like, oh my gosh, I can't believe you talk about crypto. That's the dumbest stuff ever. But then as soon as it starts moving to the upside, and people are like, oh crap, dude, I can make 10% in a minute. Yeah, I'm jumping in that. That's when these exchange coins, Chronos, the decentralized, the Uniswaps, Sushi Swaps, Pancake Swaps, and so on. That's what all of these little tokens that are associated with exchanges do phenomenally well. So let's see where Sushi's at. Sushi is currently at $1.80. Do we think that Sushi can get back up above the $10 mark? Let's see. Sushi's sitting at $1.80, bouncing off, 60-cent lows down here. Would have been very nice to get in. You're already triple your money from those levels. But dude, let's look at this. So Sushi performed. This is a weekly chart here, and you can see the bear market, Sushi Swap being released, and Sushi sitting around that 60 to 70 cent level. This is going to be a little annoying with Dex Tools constantly refreshing here. So I'm going to do this fast. 60, 70 cents. And then the bull market begins, man. And people just stay so excited about it. And this is when Dogecoin was originally ripping. Back to that May area. When Doge was ripping up. Shiba Inu Coin was testing 3,500 points per coin. Sushi Swap absolutely destroyed. Going from 60 cents to $22. Now, of course, it did fall back down. It had a nice little bounce towards the end of 2021. But then, of course, it continued to fall down, and it has been performing okay since Bitcoin has been performing well, but it's not been able to break back out above this level. Do I think that it can get back up there? Yes, absolutely, but it needs usage. If people are moving back over to, if they're not using Sushi Swap, they're going to be using Uniswap, Pancake Swap, and so on. I don't know if Sushi Swap's going to be able to maintain these high levels that it had in the past. But, of course, if people do begin to utilize it again and use Sushi Swap, then absolutely, I think that it can get there. It all depends on usage with these exchange coins. Fried it up, tastes like chicken. Oh, God, dude, if you're talking about a groundhog, I don't know about that, Johnny. I don't know about that. But they give everyone the same amount of PAI regardless of how much they held. Ooh, they did it, I believe, on Thursday. I don't know. Giovanni, man, I don't know why they would have given everybody 3. If it was a legitimate airdrop, I don't know why they would have done that. They should have done that in association with how much you owned. So, you know, if I owned 1 and you owned 100, you should get 100 times more than me. I don't know why they would have given everybody the same exact amount regardless of how much you owned. That part is weird, so I can't really figure that one out right off the top of my head. This room ain't big enough for 2 bones. No, it is not. I almost want to call the other guy Bonds, but it's it's Bones, man. They got 2 Bones in here. Hey, Glabro Gorilla, absolutely, man. I thought that was your little brother. We got J Bones and J Bonds, man. J Bones and Bonds, just messing Bones. Absolutely. You can barely get your head through the door. Got to install a slider. I don't even know who we're talking about. Me? Somebody else? I don't even know. Hi, new to crypto. I am wondering what happens to people with coins when there isn't enough liquidity for people to cash in. Bruce, you get stuck holding the bag. So, Bruce, let me pull this up here. This is one that I have recently bought into, like, during a private sale. I did a video on this, and I'm going to use this as an example because this has a very low liquidity pool. Now, eventually, let's just say, and they don't, but let's just say somebody owns 50% of this liquidity pool, of the total market cap. They own 50% of all of the tokens. If they could go out right now, and they could essentially sell $20,000 worth. That is essentially going to drain the entire liquidity pool. Now, as they did that, the price would continue to come down and so on, but every other person holding would be left holding. Their tokens would be worthless. They would need to see money, $20,000 worth, flow back into the liquidity pool in order for the price to get back up to that market cap. So if there's not enough liquidity, let's say that this token starts to double, triple, quadruple, and the same guy, you know, I was watching this token the other day, and there was $70,000 in the liquidity pool, and it had like a $250,000 market cap. So let's say that guy still owned 50% of the token, and he owned $125,000 worth of the token. There's only $70,000 in the liquidity pool at that point. He can only cash out at most $70,000. So you are right, okay? Your train of thought is correct. You can only withdraw what's in the liquidity pool there. So if you're looking at all of these other people selling off, if the liquidity pool goes down, you are not going to be able to sell off for anything. The value of your tokens is going to drop drastically as that liquidity kind of exits the liquidity pool there. Let's see where Scotty's at. All right, Scotty, 1928, exactly what I like to see. Bones, grabbing that little bro, man. I like it. Bones, thank you very much for grabbing that green name. I hope that all of you, 78 of you, welcome Bones to the green names. Welcome him to the bros, man. Old Rounder. Old Rounder, I see you. Thank you very much. Old Rounder, I see you. Thank you very much for the mustache. Kombu, I see you as well. Thank you very much. Kombu, for the mustache. I thank you. Kombu. Man, all of you guys with the mustaches, thank you very much. Thank you very much for welcoming Bones to grabbing that green name there. But guys, it is 5:02. Thank you so much for this. Absolutely, Bruce, man. Absolutely. It is 5:02, guys. So we're going to get off here for now. Of course, you guys got videos coming out later. I ask your help, okay? The link at the top of the screen. YouTube did not send a notification out with the sponsored video that I posted there. Look, they want engagement, right? They want clicks. They want you to see their website. If you guys click that link, it is an affiliate link. They're going to know that you essentially just clicked on it. and they're gonna know it came from Claybro traffic. So thank you. Even if you don't view their website tonight, whatever, just click the tab, open it up, and it's going to help me out because YouTube should have sent a notification out with that video. But anyway, guys, let's do some shout-outs. We'll be back with videos tonight, and of course, we'll be back on the live stream tomorrow, man. J-Bones, baby. See you later, man. We got Cyber Moon Rebel. Have a great evening. Kombu, have a great one. Moji, J-Bones, Old Rounder. Kombu, Moji, Old Rounder. We got Bruce, see you later. Moji, Kombu, Bruce, see you later. J-Bones, baby. We got Kombu, Tax. Oh, yeah, Tax D's. Yeah, I'll tax something. Kombu, Old Rounder, Giovanni, Johnny Quest, J-Bones, man, Moji, Indrix, see you later. NI333, Gorilla Kombu, Crazy Waffle, see you later. We got Moji, J-Bones, Mats, Cybermoon, Geo, J-Bones, Bones, Kombu, Bruce, all of you guys. You know what time it is. Papa, SD, Moji, Maja, D. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.